If you're experiencing high memory usage after upgrading to Windows 11, there are several easy steps you can take to free up RAM and improve performance. First, start by disabling unnecessary startup apps. Right-click the Start button and select Task Manager. Then navigate to Startup Apps on the left side. From there, select any application you don't need launching at startup and click Disable to prevent it from running automatically. Next, you can reduce memory usage by ending unnecessary apps and services. Again, open Task Manager from the Start menu. Find any apps or background services consuming a lot of memory. Click on them and choose End Task to close them immediately. Another helpful method is disabling the SysMain service, which can sometimes contribute to high memory usage. Press the Windows and R keys together to open the Run dialog box, type services.msc and press OK. Scroll down to find SysMain, double-click it to open its properties, set the startup type to Disabled, then click Stop. After the service stops, click Apply and then OK. You can also optimize your system's visual settings for better performance. Use Windows Search to open sysdm.cpl. Go to the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance under Visual Effects and apply the changes. In addition, defragmenting your drive can help improve efficiency. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives, select your drive, and click Optimize to begin the process. Once it's complete, restart your device and check if performance improves. Finally, make sure your system is free from viruses and malware, which can heavily impact memory usage. Open Windows Security through the search bar, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a quick scan. If nothing is found, use the scan options to perform a full scan for a more thorough check. If you're still having issues, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more Dell support content.